What's up, everybody? This is a quick edition of Inside Jokes RV. Let's get to it. You heard that beeping noise. It's getting on your nerves, it's getting on my nerves too. Let's get to it.
All right, this right here is your propane carbon monoxide detector. It's at the base of the bed. And you see it's flashing like that. Let's get the beep in here. And it has been beeping and beeping and beeping. My house batteries died, so I had to replace those. And ever since then, I was hoping that if the house batteries get replaced and they get charged up, there it is right there. That it would, I think it was just a fault saying that my batteries were low or dead. But new house batteries, and I'm plugged in the shore power, and it's still doing this. I tried holding the reset button, no avail. So, online researching, saying these things should be replaced every 6 to 7 years. So if you look on the back of this thing right here, 2013. So this is the original one that came with the coach. So it's well overdue to be changed out. So ordered a new one right here, the exact same model off of Amazon. I think it was $40. Took about 2 days to get here. Now we're gonna install it. Let's get to it. All right, here's the connection over the water tank. And you see somebody just, that works, but it's not a real good, gets the job done, but we're gonna make a better connection with that. So it looks like they got a couple of wires running in to that. All right, let's see if we can kill the power to this real quick. All right, I got my connections. Once again with those T-Move solder waterproof stripping. Since it's over the water tank, I think it's a much better connection than the previous, whoever did that previous. So very simple. All right, guys, there it is. Installed literally 10 minutes. You're back up and running, no lights flashing, and we're back in it. I'll leave the Amazon link in the description if those want to try it. Peace.